The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2025 Subaru Ascent with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Edge base rack system. So this is made up of the Wingbar edge bars, shown in black here. Silver is also available. The front position has Wingbar 95 centimeters in length, and the back bar is 86 centimeters in length. Also included in this kit is the Thule Edge raised rail foot pack. So this is connected to the raised rail with a rubberized stainless steel band, which has great strength and also helps protect the vehicle rails itself. So overall, you have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars can be mounted about where you see here. So a great system for different types of gear and accessories, and also provides a low profile look. For easy ordering of this kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.